A one-product dropshipping store is arguably the best way to get started in e-commerce. We believe that one-product dropshipping stores are in a thriving trend and are predicted to become the future of dropshipping. In this video, we'll unpack everything you need to know about getting started. By the end, you'll have a framework for starting your one-product dropshipping store. One-product stores are exactly what the name suggests. The store only sells one product and focuses all of its marketing and design efforts on selling one product. Have you ever heard such statement as, all you need to become successful is to do one thing very well? In the world of online entrepreneurs, it also exists. When a dropshipping store only sells one product, then it is called one-product dropshipping store. Now, you might be wondering why on earth a brand would limit itself to selling a single product to the customers. Good question. Let me show you some significant benefits of offering one product in your dropshipping store which will bring you closer to the answer. You know that running an e-commerce business requires having many irons in the fire. With so much to analyze and improve every day, narrowing it down to selling a single product can allow you to concentrate on what matters most and enhance real growth. Since you are only selling one product, you only have to worry about the quality of a single product. You can easily find the quality of a product by ordering a sample from your supplier. If there's anything you'd like to change about the product, you can request the supplier to do so or find a new supplier. Another advantage of one-product stores is that they only have to worry about inventory for their single product. It's extremely easy to keep track of your supplier's inventory since your store only has one product. With just one product, you can focus on positioning your brand to perfection and it won't be lost among all your messages. As Facebook and Google algorithms gather heavy data on the specific customer who is interested in your goods, digital advertising becomes easier. Creating a one-product dropshipping store is much less time-consuming than making a regular store. This is because you only have to import one product and create one product page. Who just start dropshipping or selling online. After getting more experience and learning the e-commerce business, it is possible to change the concept of a one-product store and sell more items. For example, to run a niche store or general dropshipping store. Basically, every business means multitasking. There will always be numerous aspects you need to consider, monitor, and improve. Of course, it means huge time spendings, and possibly, even some amount of stress. But what if I told you that by cutting down the number of products offered in your online store, you'll get rid of numerous extra worries? Here's what I mean. You need to come up with one idea only. To fill your store with 50+ products, you need to make lots of important decisions. For example, exactly what niche will you occupy with these particular products? Or will they have in common? How will you need to write their descriptions and add texts to convey the same brand message and tone of communication? And coming up with ideas for a one-product store is much easier. Yes, you still need to find an absolutely winning product with a high profit potential and make its presentation perfect. But you only need to do it once. You can't build a store if you don't have ideas. So, the first step is to get your creative juices flowing and get some ideas down on paper. There are hundreds of ways to research product ideas, but here's a quick framework that should get you started. Have you had ideas lurking in the back of your mind for years? Maybe you encounter pain points on a daily basis that a product could solve. Do you own a product that you could improve in some way? Pursuing through Amazon's bestseller lists can help unearth products with proven demand that are perfect for building a brand around. Kickstarter is a platform where entrepreneurs seek funding to launch their products. Check out the Discover page to find up-and-coming product ideas. Google Trends is a great tool to discover what people are searching for and identify niches and products that are surging in popularity. Once you've come up with a product idea, it's time to bring it to life. Hop over to AliExpress and run a search for your product idea. Then, order several samples from different suppliers so you can compare the quality. While you wait for them to arrive, let's get on with building the rest of your brand. When choosing your e-commerce platform, consider your current and future needs. Some platforms may be the best solution for today, but a powerful platform like AliDropship can get you started quickly and support your future growth. AliDropship is a platform that lets you create a dropshipping business by selling AliExpress products. You can order a custom-made store, or just use their plugin and create a site in WordPress. AliDropship has two plugins for WordPress, one that works with a standard website, and another designed specifically to integrate with WooCommerce. It's called AliDropship Woo plugin. AliDropship plugin lets you import products and reviews from AliExpress into your site in one click. You can able to manage your inventory and track orders from one dashboard. While using AliExpress is completely free, you still need to consider other overheads. First, of course, is the price of the AliDropship plugin. This is a one-time payment of $89 and it gives you both the standard plugin and the AliDropship Woo plugin. Then, regardless of the plugin, you have to include WordPress site hosting, which costs around $50 per year. If you choose a premium WordPress theme, it will cost you $67. The foundation of your one-product dropshipping store starts with your theme. To maximize conversions, choose a theme that is specifically designed to make your core product pop. Having a prominent but suitable theme to attract visitors is very important. Your store should bring a friendly and straightforward experience when customers navigate around the website. The menu bar should be simple. The CTA button should be clear and on point, and make sure images and videos are in high resolution. The great thing is you can easily find such themes on the AliDropship themes. Once you choose the right theme for your store, you can build a responsive site quickly. Pay attention to your images, color scheme, and CTA buttons. The home page should be enticing and can promptly highlight the critical value of your product. Or else you can order a custom-made one-product dropshipping store from the AliDropship team. They will do the product research for you and build the store ready to make sales from day one. Check out the link in the description to learn more about the solutions and discounts of AliDropship.